Well, hi, my name's Tara Tomato, and well, today we're going to be discovering inside the fridge, that undiscovered mystery to ever see if the light in the fridge goes off when you close the door. Yeah, I like fridges. And, rolled over a little bit, and I'm back. And well, you can meet my friend, Carrie Capsicum. Hi, Carrie. See, I'm Carrie Capsicum. That's Carrie Capsicum. And she's going to help us today. Okay. Well, let's go look over at the fridge. As you can see, we're in the fridge, me and Carrie, and well, the fridge is open right now, and the light's on. So when we close this fridge, let's see what happens. We're closing the fridge now. Closing. Wow! Whee! The light does turn off, baby. Now let's open the fridge again, and the light goes on. Isn't that amazing? And say hello to Mr. Jam, Mrs. Jam, Salsa, and Lil Jam. So let's see what happens here while the fridge door is closed. Now, down here with, the peaches and mayonnaise and stuff. And, well, we're going to see what happens when the cameras are off. Oh, this tomato. Don't touch me that way. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, there goes the, there goes the fridge. Oh yeah. Oh, that's so nice. Hey, what are you doing? Get out of my face!